Hi, I'm John, an automotive enthusiast. I've spent couple of years exploring about air compressor and I've compiled a list of best air compressor 2021 for helping you making decision. This is first introductory video of my blog Air Compressor Savvy. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. So finding the best air compressor seems to be easy. But when you start to look out for the best suitable choice, you will realize that it is not that much easy. There are so many brands that offer different models at various prices, but how can we know which one is the best air compressor? If you are getting worried, then there is no need to do that. Because we have contributed to make your process a little steady and simple by introducing a step-by-step guide to select the best air compressor. For more details visit www.aircompressorsavvy.com.